In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's perspective on LSK future while examining Lsk cost gauge for 2022 and then some, which most certainly is genuinely huge. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to generally think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand. Basically, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Lsk. Presently, we should head into it in an unobtrusive manner. Before we dive pretty profound into the Lsk value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that LSK is a very wise speculation or not. For what reason will LSK sort of succeed or especially fizzle, or for what reason will Lsk value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what fundamentally is LSK and its to-date history. What is Lsk especially as a decentralized sidechain and dApps improvement stage, which makes it by and large simple for designers to fabricate and really send off especially decentralized applications utilizing JavaScript programming language. Lsk sidechains empower designers to generally make applications with their genuinely own blockchain innovation backing them up. Lsk explicitly utilizes the agreement calculation, designated confirmation of stake, in a truly significant way. This considers any LSK holder to decide in favor of main chain delegates who really are liable for getting the organization. There in a real sense is an all things considered limit of 101 for the most part dynamic main chain delegates at some random time. Different representatives are either on reserve to turning into a main chain delegate, or are in the middle of getting Lsk sidechains. All representatives sort of are compensated in LSK for assisting with keeping up with the Lsk network amazingly. LSK, or Lsk coin, is the money related with Lsk, utilized basically in the dApps on the Lsk principal chain itself. Not at all like Bitcoin and others. It generally is definitely not a computerized money that vendors will in a real sense acknowledge as installment, yet rather a cash for designers utilizing or wishing to utilize the stage. Lsk Value Expectation. The sort of entire crypto world basically is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed exceptionally high in the midst of the more extensive market, for the most part drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate increments. Or so they thought. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into kind of additional in every way that really matters, stable business sectors, or so they thought. Crypto especially is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees a sum especially green in 2022, particularly in the sort of second piece of the year, which really is genuinely huge. This explicitly is in a real sense reflected in our 2022 forecasts, which is genuinely critical. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a genuinely nearby base before we can move the other way and especially alter the course, which in every practical sense is very huge. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will by and large begin to do likewise. We for the most part have seen this situation many explicitly times in the removed and later history, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation model is negative for the fundamentally next 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in an unpretentious manner. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a run-of-the-mill, an unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each task. Essentials that we truly assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2022 1014 plus 5.31% $1012022 1015 4.76% $0 9120 2022 1016 0.64% $0 9515 2022 1017, which is very huge. 4.98% $0 9098 2022 1018 plus 1.57% $0 9726 2022 1019, as opposed to mainstream thinking. 1.63% $0 9420 2022 1020 2.97% 92 cents Lsk Value Expectation 2022. Most of specialists fundamentally concur that this basically bear market will essentially endure basically for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion, which in every practical sense is very huge. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner in a truly significant way. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 NAV. 33.18% $0 6398 2022 DEC 55.05% $0.4304 Jan in a very significant manner. 48.40% $0.4941 Feb amazingly. 47.14% $0.5062 blemish. 42.97% $0.5461 APRA as opposed to prevalent thinking. 32.61% $0.6453 May. 34.04% $0.6316 Jun in a for the most part significant manner. 24.34% $0.7245 Jul incredibly. 17.23% $0.7926 AUG, which is genuinely critical. 19.27% $0.7731 SEP. 13.12% $0.8320 OCT, or so they basically thought. 6.40% 89 cents Lsk Value Expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Lsk coming to $1.51 in 2025 in an unpretentious manner. What will Lsk explicitly be somewhat worth in 5 years, or so they thought? The cost of Lsk in 5 years could in a real sense lie around $1.37, which really is genuinely huge. Lsk Value Forecast 2030 to 2040, or so they explicitly thought. What Lsk will explicitly be essentially worth in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Our gauging model sees Lsk coming to $3.77 in 2030, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. What Lsk will be truly worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Lsk coming to $7.54 in 2040, or so they thought. Will Lsk supplant, certainly outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Lsk won't trade or in every practical sense, overwhelm BTC, which fundamentally is very huge. Could Lsk at any point reach $10 in a significant manner? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Lsk to truly reach $10 in the short or mid-term period in a truly significant manner. Might Lsk at any point reach $100 amazingly? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Lsk to generally reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. How pretty high will Lsk go? Our determining model sees Lsk cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a removed future, or so they really thought. Is Lsk worth purchasing? We for the most part don't see a brilliant future for Lsk. It for the most part merits purchasing just as a sort of transient hypothesis with a great leave system, which is very critical. Lsk basically is certainly not a decent truly long-haul hold, or so they by and large thought. Is Lsk a wise venture? Lsk is certainly not a wise interest as we would see it, or so they thought. Why? Which really is genuinely huge. Indeed, it faces a wild contest from essentially other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't especially have a certified local area, and the group behind